Steve Jobs was a failure. I'm going to tell you why and the power of flopping. In 1985, Apple came out with two supposedly revolutionary products, the Lisa and the Macintosh. The hype around the products were astronomical, but much to their dismay, both flopped. Sales didn't scratch the floor of expectations Apple had for either of the products. Someone had to go. Someone had to become the scapegoat for the flop. That was CEO Steve Jobs, the one headed to the guillotine. The board members huddled and removed Jobs shortly thereafter. Gone. The visionary that would change the trajectory of technology was kicked to the curb. Jobs didn't lick his wounds in a pity party for himself. He used what he knew he had, a skill set to ideate and innovate. Jobs created the company Next. 11 years after inception, Jobs sold Next to none other than, you guessed it, Apple, for $429 million. And Apple, stagnant for the 11 years Jobs was at the helm, hired Steve back to his original position. And the rest is history. Black turtlenecks and iPhone history. You will never hit 100% of the shots you take. Probably not even 50%, to be completely honest. And that's okay. The only way to learn is to flop. Of the hundreds of successful people I've been around throughout my lifetime, not one, literally not one, has said, yeah, I hit a home run on my first try, and I was uber successful with no speed bumps. Not one. They all have a similar story of flop after flop after flop, and through the flops, the phoenix rises. Think of yourself as the mythical bird, the phoenix. It is an immortal bird that cyclically regenerates. It's born again, time and time again, and only comes back stronger. So gain confidence today knowing that every successful person you look up to has experienced a massive flop. You are the phoenix. Gain energy and power through the flop and rise again even higher and greater than before. So today I want you to write down the flops of your past. Where have you just absolutely flopped? And if you are flopping right now, I want you to celebrate that. Write down, I celebrate this flop. And that's going to give you confidence that you're flopping, everybody else is flopping, but guess what? You will rise if you just keep on going. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin, and for my face it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife's is Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.